In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Keepa Deals feature. If you're hunting for genuine discounts on Amazon and want data to back them up, this walkthrough will help you move confidently from browsing to evaluating if a deal is truly worth it. Start by heading to the Keepa website and opening the Deals page. Click the Deals tab to see items that have experienced real price drops based on their historical data, not just compared to inflated list prices. This page is your starting lineup of potential wins, already filtered by price movement over time. Next, tailor what you see using filters so you're not wasting time on irrelevant items. Choose a category to match your niche, like books or electronics, so the results fit your focus. Set a price range to keep everything within your budget. Defining both a minimum and a maximum helps remove noise from ultra-cheap accessories or out-of-range high-ticket items. Then set a discount percentage. Something like 30 to 80% is a solid window when you want strong but realistic savings. Select the deal type that matches how you buy. New if you prefer sealed items, used for potentially bigger savings with condition notes, or warehouse for Amazon warehouse deals that often come with cosmetic imperfections but solid value. Finally, choose the drop interval. Limiting to the last 24 hours surfaces the freshest, fast-moving opportunities, while 7 days broadens the view if you want more options. With filters set, sort your results to align with your goal. Sorting by biggest discount brings the most dramatic drops to the top. Lowest price is handy when you're building a budget list. Newest deals helps you spot changes that just happened, which can be crucial if inventory moves quickly. Now scan the list with a critical eye. Focus on substantial drops. 50% or more is a good starting threshold when your aim is standout value. Compare the current price to the average historical price to see whether the discount is meaningful and not just a brief dip after a spike. It's fine to ignore small, routine discounts that don't materially change the deal. When something looks promising, click into the product and study the Keepa chart. Review the price history to understand typical ranges, not just today's number. Check the sales rank trend to gauge demand. A stable or improving rank often indicates the item actually sells at the discounted price. Finally, note the buy box price, since that's the figure most shoppers will pay and a key reference for a realistic deal. That's it. Clear filters, smart sorting, a careful scan, and a data-backed chart check. Use these steps together to quickly surface real, reliable deals.